Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to free up space without deleting apps. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then go to app management, and here I highly recommend to go through all of those apps, especially those which are frequently using, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are occupying the memory, so just go to the app, go to storage usage and tap on clear cache, and as I said, do it for all of those apps. Another thing I highly recommend to do is to check your phone manager, and this is the pre-installed app, so for sure you've got one. Just find it and open it. You can tap on optimize if you wish, but I wanted to focus on cleanup storage. And here we've got different categories in deep cleanup, which we can go through and remove some files. So for example, documents, but also large files or duplicated files, which are occupying a lot of memory. So highly recommend to simply enter specific app or specific section actually, and to remove the duplicated files or large files. Another thing I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. But obviously it is still saved and still occupying the memory. So all you have to do is to open the your file manager, and it doesn't matter whether you're using the one which is provided by the developer, the Google one, or any kind of third-party manager. It's completely up to you. Just enter it and go to sources or folders and find downloads and enter this section. Obviously I do not have any kind of files here, but I highly recommend to check yours and remove those which you do not really need. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to consider the backup. I will not show you the full operation because we've got the a separate tutorial which explains how to enable the backup, so highly recommend to check that. I just wanted to mention it that you will be able to save your photos and videos in a completely different space in the cloud. It doesn't matter which platform you will choose, for example OneDrive, Google Drive, whatever, but you will be able to save it in other place, and thanks to which you can remove it from the internal storage of your phone, thanks to which you will release the memory. But also it is for the security, because if something's wrong with your device, for example you've lost it or it is damaged, you cannot really enter your files, then you will still be able to open the cloud, the platform, and your files will be there if they are backed up. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.